Good morning, incredible souls. I'm Frida Stoffer. I'm having some military diet breakfast this morning. I'm not feeling good. I had a low-grade fever for several days. I'm tired and I don't feel good. I guess it's just part of having chronic bronchitis. It's a kind of autoimmune, I guess. Autoimmune disease. Anyway, I want to eat my breakfast to try to get some energy. I already drank 2 bottles of water this morning. I usually drink 2 bottles of water when I wake up in the morning. I can't believe this little guy is blooming in November. They should have been blooming way early in the summer. I don't know what happened, but they are blooming quite late this year. Maybe I planted them too late or something, but they're blooming now. Brave little dude. He's a late bloomer, but he's blooming. I have other ones, but they're not blooming at all, so this one is really brave. I think there's another one that has buds on it. What are you doing, Theodore? Theodore. Sweet boy. Hi, sweetie. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? These cats wait for me. When I'm out, they wait for me in the driveway. Yes, they wait for me in the driveway. Yes, they do. My sweet little guys. That's Theodore and that's Shadow. Yes, my little Shadow. Aww. Are you okay, honey? Yes? I have them sleeping in the sunroom now for the winter. But I let them out in the daytime. And now it's not that cold today. It's nice outside. So, I have a low-grade fever. I've had it for a couple of days. I'm really tired. I have body aches. This is normal for me. Hi, sweetie. He wants his mommy. He wants his mommy. Yes, he does. He wants his mommy. He wants to relax and take a nap. He's so sweet. He's so sweetie. Yes. Oh, sweet boy. I love him. There's my day 2 lunch. I've got 2 packs of tuna creations with jalapeno in it to make my half cup. And I have it on some salad that I had chopped up in the fridge. And I have toasted 100-calorie English muffin in there. And that is my lunch. Plus this is my lunch tea. It's Tazo green ginger tea for lunch. So that's it for lunch. Okay, these are the ingredients I'm going to use. Impossible burger meat, ground burger meat. It's plant-based burger meat. And there's some cheddar, a can of condensed cheddar cheese soup, and a can of Fiesta-style corn. And that is filling for the taco lasagna the kids asked for. I browned that impossible meat. It browns just like ground meat. And I put seasoning in that I liked. I put a little oregano, a little Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning and a little garlic powder and a little ground cumin to season the meat. And then I added according to the recipe, I added the cheddar cheese soup. And instead of tomatoes, I added the fiesta corn. My boys don't all like tomato salsa, so I put fiesta corn instead of tomato in the filling. I'm using these soft taco tortillas, and I'm going to line the pan with those, and then I'm going to put the filling in. I'm going to layer it in like lasagna with cheese. This thick trio blend cheese from Aldi, thick cut. So that's what's going in.